Once we hit the driveway, start spinning up, and then it's still another like 100 meters before the actual start. It's right where the sign is. See the big sign?
Yeah.
That's really where the start is.
Okay.
But you want to be moving, get a good gear, don't burn out, but be moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, 480 feet, 450, 420, 400 feet.
Then have more energy for the second hill than a little in the tank.
Yep. 100 feet to go. 75, 50. We're on it. Definitely a little quick right now. There you go. He's in. Doing good, nice and steady. Steady pressure, steady pressure. Oh, my leg's tired. All right, just keep going, you're doing good. Excellent. Once we can hit this crest, keep the pressure on.
Sorry, Bill.
There you go. This is where we make a lot of time. Right up here. Good, 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 good. A lot of time made up right here.
Car?
No. Just Bill. Push it a little bit here. Use the rein. You're doing great. You're on target. Keep it up. Keep it up, get to the hill.
Yeah. Try.
There you go. Every once in a while, get out of the saddle.
Yep, I did.
Good, 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 good. Do like 20, 30 pull or strokes, and then sit back down. Good, 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 good. Keep the pressure on. There you go. Yep. got 2.5 minutes to go. Keep pushing. Yep, doing good, bud. That's a good strategy. Sit a little, stand a little, sit a little, stand a little. Two minutes. We got a car behind. Yeah, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Stay right up on Bill. Clear. All right, big push to the end here. Stand as much as you can. Big push to the end. We got a minute, and we got to keep going past the hill. The finish line is on the start of the downhill, so you got to keep pushing. Come on, come on, stand up, stand up, stand up. Let's go. You're almost there. You can start picking up speed. Less of a gradient. Got to keep going. Can't give up at the top. There we go. There you go. There you go. Keep pushing. Gotta keep pushing. Gotta keep pushing. Gotta keep pushing. Come on, we're almost there. We got 40 seconds. Once we hit the top, you gotta go all out. Not there yet. Pass me, pass me, pass me, pass me, pass me, go. Pass me and go. Go, 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 to the speed limit sign. Keep going. Almost there. Awesome. That'll be a PR for you. That was 7:23. Way to go, bud. Good job pushing.